Let us study the conduction of heartbeat from the circulatory system chapter. Now let us see what initiates or which tissues are initiating the heartbeat in human heart. Now first of all, it is very important to know the muscles of the heart itself generates the electric impulse which is responsible for the heartbeat. As the muscles initiates the heartbeat, it is myogenic heart. So myogenic heart means the muscles themselves, they are responsible for initiating the heartbeat, and therefore we call our heart or human heart as a myogenic heart. Now in human heart there is a special nodal tissue, and these are present in our heart which initiates the impulse, heart impulse. So there are two special nodal tissues known as SA node and AV node, and along with that there is also bundle of His, and also there is Purkinje fiber system. Now in this diagram you can see there is SA node located, AV node and Purkinje fiber system which is all over spreaded into the ventricles. Okay, so firstly we'll see what is SA node. SA node is sinoatrial node, and where it is located? It is located at the upper side of the right auricle, and it is a special kind of tissue, nodal tissue, which initiates the electrical impulse in the heart. And then this impulse is spreaded and it is captured by the next AV node, that is atrioventricular node. Now as the term atrioventricular node itself tells you where it is located, it is present at the or it is near the atrioventricular valve. Okay, in this diagram you can see AV node also, and as the electrical impulse which is generated in the SA node, it starts the muscles to beat and contract, and that impulse is then spreaded all over the auricles first, and further it gets into the AV node then, and after that the bundle of His which is present at the base or at the towards the ventricle we can say, or just near the beginning of the ventricular septum, that is bundle of His. And further this bundle of His again divides into two branches, and these two branches are present on the walls of the two ventricle. So left anterior division is seen, then left posterior division of the Purkinje fiber system is seen, and it is also present at the right side, so right bundle branch of the Purkinje fibers. So all these things, all these special kind of nodal tissues are present all over the heart muscles, and which initiates and responsible for the heartbeat. So this is all about the conduction of heartbeat, and all these tissues are very important and for the initiation of heartbeat. Thank you.